Hello friend, welcome you on Lamrod Academy. I am Rajendra Lamrod, telling about the relation operator in C programming. What is the relation operator, how to use the relation operator, and how many type of relation operator. Relation operator basically using to making the relationship between two different values. He always giving the results in the true and false. Okay, so here I am showing the relation operator is 6 type of operator. First is equal operator, not equal operator, greater operator. This is less operator, greater and equal operator, and less and equal operator. Okay, so if you using the equal operator, here I have taken a equal to 20 and b equal to 40. So equal operator is taking 20 equal to 40. It's not true because they are different value. It will showing not true value means false value. Okay, so not equal to operator. If a not equal to b means 20 is not equal to 40, so it's true. The result will give you true results. Simply I have taken greater operator. If a greater than b, see here a is 20, b is 40, a greater than b, it is not true, so it's showing not true means false. Okay, here I have taken less than operator. A less than b means 20 is less than 40. Its condition is true, so here showing the true operator. If greater than equal to is checking the condition if a is greater than or equal b. If any of the condition is satisfied, it give you true results, else it give you false result. So here I have taken a equal to 20 and b equal to 40. So a is not equal to 20, so it will give you false result. Okay, but a is less than b, so it will give you true result. So now I am showing you one example of C programming, how to using the programming language. So here I have taken some program. I have include st.h header file for a main. I have written the program already because you are saving your times. So I have taken integer variable a equal to 40 and b equal to 20. Okay, so now I am comparing a equal to b. So a equal to b is not true because it's false, so it give you result a is not equal to b. Okay, no, not giving the if condition, it give you else condition. So second I have taken a is less than b, but a is 40 is greater than b, so its condition is false. So if condition is its condition will give you false results, hence it will give you go to in else print is a is not less than b. Okay, second a is greater than b, 40 is greater than 20, its condition is true, so we went inside the if and showing the a is greater than b results. Okay, third now I am checking two different variables. A is 20 and b is 40, means a is smaller than b. So here I am comparing a is less than and equal to b. So a is either is less than or equal to b, its condition is true, so we print a is less than either of b. Okay, third I have taken b is greater than or equal to a. This condition will be true also because b is 20 is greater than 10, so its condition will be showing b is either the greater than or equal to of this condition. Okay, so now I am running this output. So go in debug and run this option. So now I am showing the output of this condition. First one is condition is false, so showing a is not equal to b, is not equal to b. Second condition is also false, so went into else a is not less than b, condition is less than b. Third is condition is true, so a is greater than b, showing it's true. Fourth is condition is showing a is less than or equal to b, so it's less than or equal to b. Sixth condition is showing b, c is greater than or equal to this condition also will be showing. Fifth condition. Okay, so thank you friends. If you have still any doubt, then if you need this program, so I have posted in the comment box, you can take and use it, or if you have any doubt still comment below. Thank you.